Welcome to our video. I'm going to tell you how to connect Google Maps and apps in your car using Android Auto. First, download and install the Android Auto app on your phone if it isn't already built in. Next, connect your phone to your car using a USB cable or wirelessly if your vehicle supports wireless Android Auto. Once connected, your car's display will show the Android Auto interface. From here, open Google Maps and it will automatically sync with your phone so you can start navigation with voice or touch. To add more apps like Spotify, WhatsApp, or Waze, just install them on your phone and they'll appear in your Android Auto dashboard. You can customize which apps show up by opening the Android Auto settings on your phone and dragging apps into the order you want. And that's it. You now have Google Maps and your favorite apps running seamlessly in your car. Thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe for more useful content.